Your BIBO bar is energy efficient based on your usage behavior and lifestyle. There are two energy-saving techniques, sleep and power on/off mode. We recommend using both settings to save as much power as possible. In this video, we'll go through the power on or off mode. This setting enables your BIBO bar to go on standby over a pre-selected time, giving you the freedom to manage power usage according to your needs. Select the menu button on your BIBO bar and navigate to the power setting by touching the red cup button 3 times. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Select the menu button to navigate into the power on/off settings. This will take you to 3 on/off setting times. Navigate between the time settings using the red cup button. Scroll through the time settings by using the blue cup or white cup buttons and select on or off. Then set the start hour by using the blue cup or white cup buttons. Follow the same process for the minute setting. Make sure you set the time for both on and off. Touch the menu button to save the setting. To go back to the home screen, press the return button 3 times. When your BIBO bar is on standby, the screen will look like this. You can press any button to wake up your BIBO bar at any time. This screen will appear. Then select the menu button to confirm. If only getting yourself to sleep was that easy. But we get it. Netflix is addictive. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.